Today I'm going to show you how to reset any AirPods that you have. So when you open it, you have it open, the prompt will come up and you need to press the circle that's behind your AirPods. So if you don't have the circle, you will have it on the front of your AirPod. If it's the fourth generation, you just have to do the same thing, hold it. So I'm pressing this with the lid open, and for about 15 seconds it should reset your AirPods. If it doesn't reset your AirPod, you still need to hold on to it till it come up the amber. When the amber comes on, means it be resetting. So while this is resetting, you still need to hold on onto the circle button behind your AirPods, and then it should show white or green, and it means your AirPods have been resetting. And while I'm doing this, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have any thoughts about the video, just comment it down below, and more videos that you want to see, comment it down below as well. So this has turned green. We should be all ready to go. So I've removed the prompt, and then we'll open this back again, and it should tell you that connect, which means your AirPods has been resetted. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, peace.